In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Twitch not sending verification code. So the first thing to do is report this issue to Twitch to make sure they patch it, because there is not really much we can do. Only thing we can do is go up to settings, press the settings here, go to privacy, security and privacy, add phone number here. The most important things are is to make sure your phone number is correct, obviously. It will then say that it will send a 6-digit verification code. Press confirm, and I've just received the message. So as you can see here, I've successfully added my phone number. If it does not work for you, it might be best to delete the app, try again, or try signing up again. But there should not really be any reason. I think this issue has been patched now and sorted out, so hopefully it should work for you also, because it's worked for me. Hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.